Be going over the Shop Nation dust extractor upgrade that I bought for my Delta Cruiser. This was purchased by me. It's not sponsored in any way. I'm pretty sure the gentleman who owns Shop Nation has no clue who I am or ever watched one of my videos. But I watch his. Right now, I'm going to go ahead and make a cut and show you how horrible it is without his upgrade. And you see the dust flying everywhere. It is horrible. I don't know. What do you think? The vacuum sucks. So, does it solve everything? God, no. Does it keep the sawdust from coming in my face? Yes. Miter saws are just, they're dirty in general. It was horrible. But this at least stops most of it from coming back at me and not going everywhere. Um, I'm going to do one more thing. I'm going to blow this off with my leaf blower. Get it. Mwah. Right? And then I'll make another cut. And we'll see how dirty it gets. Then you can really see. Okay? Is that right? It's all right. Okay. So it's clean. Just take a gander. See? Beautiful. Ooh. Ah. Shiny. Right? So it's good. Like that. I didn't hook up my vacuum. So there is some dust. You saw how it was when I did initial cut. Um, I will try my best. This editing thing's not my forte. To have a side by side of like the dust, and then you can see it's not perfect. But even the guy who bakes it says it's not perfect. But I want to say it's quite a bit better. I don't know percentages wise. I say if 100% was it got all the dust, I'd say it's good 75, 80. Seeing as how before it was like 5.